Man, it's been like 15 minutes. Where is he?
Elijah, I'm here. Sorry, man.
Oh, dude, you were late, man. Where you been? How you doing?
Dude, I'm doing well. It's been so long.
Dude, it has been a while.
Man.
I need some backup, though.
Dude, you're a one-shot.
I know, man.
What's
I got a
going
whole
on?
team on me.
Man, let's get him.
Okay. Oh, I got 2 down?
Oh, man. Come on. One more.
Yeah, all killed. Okay.
Dude,
You got
nice.
this.
Nice.
Yeah,
Dude,
let's go.
Sniper behind you.
Oh,
Sniper behind you. Oh.
Dude, headshot.
Man, game over.
Ugh.
Man, I wish we had this kind of technology in the lab. This is awesome.
Yeah. Wait, Andrew, we do.
Wait, serious?
Yeah.
Let's go down and check it out.
Let's go. All right. Good to see you, man.
Dude, yeah, it's been a long time.
Long time.
So Elijah, tell me what we got going on here.
Awesome. So like Damon mentioned last week, this is our Festo Cyber-Physical Lab. So in today's scenario, we're going to say, the lab has been running, we're getting parts going through, and a sensor has been knocked out of place, and a maintenance person has been called to come and fix the sensor. The problem is this specific maintenance person has never worked on this machine before. But luckily, we have something called a mobile AR quality check, and this is how it works. So right now we have our user, which is our maintenance person, and he's going to trigger an inspection. And this is all going to be done through Vuforia View, which is where the AR experience is housed. Through this inspection, we're going to send an image to ThingWorks, and that image is going to go through image processing. And the image processing that's going to take place is something called template matching. And the template matching is going to run through, and it's going to give us inspection data back. That inspection data is going to go through ThingWorks, through Vuforia View, and then provide instructions and feedback right to the maintenance person.
All right, Elijah, let's see how it works.
Let's do it. So as a maintenance person, I'm going to go into Vuforia View and click on the experience that I want to use. Now you can see there's a little white outline, and this looks a lot like Station 3. This is using what we call model tracking. So I'll line it up with my piece, and you can see it's faded out. So I'm going to go back to here, and we have a basic welcome bar, and I'm going to press start. It'll take you through a quick tutorial, but for our purposes today, we'll skip that. So this is one of the really cool things. You can see some of the dots indicating and where I should put my feet and place the actual iPad. So I'm going to go move over, and 2 arrows will be brought up, and I'm going to align these arrows in order to take an image. Once those arrows are aligned, it'll say the image is captured, and it'll give me my feedback. So we can see that just like we said, the left sensor is out of alignment by 31 millimeters. So we're going to say begin realignment, and an actual animation will start from where the sensor is and where it needs to go. So as the maintenance person, I'll look at this animation, and I'll line up the sensor to where it's saying it needs to be. Once I do that, I'll click recheck, and then align the arrows again to take a secondary image. The image is captured again, and we can see that the sensor is now within tolerance. After that, we have a little prompt here to do IoT data validation. That's just saying, although the sensors are aligned, are they actually on and working? I'll click that, and you can see quickly, all of the sensors are properly aligned and working. So I'll submit my inspection, and that'll be recorded in a database.
That's really cool. Thanks, Elijah.
No problem.
Hey, thanks, Elijah. That was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to go upstairs, finish our Xbox game.
But make sure to like and subscribe.